Hi there, everybody. It's 2022. Whoa. I haven't met all of you yet, but my name is Tania. I'm the founder of Pinpoint Education, and I just wanted to take a moment to check in and wish everybody a very bright, refreshing, and healthy new year. And yeah, and with that new beginning, just let everybody know what's been going on with the site. And also thank you for hanging in there. Been doing a lot of stuff on the back end. I'm kind of a one-woman show right now. And yes, I do write and create content, but a lot of that entails learning tech, which I didn't know before. And then when I learned it, all the technology seemed to suddenly change, so I had to learn it again. Then the pandemic happened, so readapting everything for online formats in a way that's fun, engaging, and inspiring for you. And yeah, as members of the community, thank you for signing up and for just hanging in there while I've been figuring all this stuff out on the back end. So please keep an eye out on Thursday. I will be sending out an email with more detail about everything that's been going on with the site, and also about some new office hours I'll be keeping once a week where you can stop by anytime and yeah, say hi, let me know what you think. Please let me know what I can do for you, because I'm building this site for each of you, and I would love your input. It's there for you, so tell me what to do so I can make it as inspiring and useful and resourceful for you as possible. So I'm going to leave it at that for now, and I will check in again with you on Thursday. And I hope you are enjoying this first day of the new year, that it is cozy and exactly as you want it to be, and restful and all that good stuff. I'm going to do what I like to do, and I'm going to go work on some content, because that's how I wanted to start the new year, is kicking everything off like this. And yeah, thank you for your support so far, and I'll be checking in with you on Thursday, and hope to meet some of you, see your faces. Okay. Oh, and in the words of the Golden Girls, thank you for being a friend. I'll see you Thursday.